Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily change field of view in Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do is next to the quick, you're going to see options on the bottom left. Right here, you're going to have general, and you're going to see like communication network, and you want to click on a display. Right here in the display, you're going to have field of view and vehicle, free field of view. So I don't know how to read this word. Vehicle. I don't know. I never knew it. So also, if this video will be helpful, guys, you can share it down below in the comments that it helped you. And here you can see field of view, and you can easily change that. So that's how we do it. And yep, that's pretty much it. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.